In this video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix unknown USB device set address failed error message on Windows 11. So let's get started. So what we can do is we need to go to the Windows search bar and type edit power plan. Once you find that option under the best match, then just go ahead and click on that. And then here you'll find this option change advanced power settings. Click on that. Now, in the Power Options Advanced Settings window, you need to look for the option USB Settings. Once you find USB Settings option, click on the plus sign symbol and you'll find USB Selective Suspend setting. Make sure that for on battery and plugged in, this is disabled. Okay? For on battery and plugged in, that is disabled. Apply and then OK. Then still in this window, you have to click on this power options. On the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on choose what closing the lid does. And then here you have to click on this option change settings that are currently unavailable. And here if you can find the fast startup, the option turn on fast startup, simply uncheck that. You need to turn off the fast startup. Again, if you find the option right here, turn on fast startup and check that option to turn on the fast startup. Close this. Then for the next method, we need to make a right click at the start button and then select device manager. Then here you have to locate the universal serial bus controllers. Click on the arrow to expand the list. And here you need to look for the device that you are having an error with. And what you can do is you need to make a right click and then select update driver. Browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer and simply choose what driver will work for you. Now Windows will successfully update your drivers. After doing so, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And then you can also right click on your USB device that has an error, right click and then select Properties. Click on the driver tab, and if the rollback driver is available, then simply click on rollback driver. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.